Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is Kvass and Sprite. Go ahead and pause this video if you need to, grab your drink, come back, and let's talk. Birthday gift. Do you guys like it? So sparkly. Can you see my drink? No, you can't see it. For today's Naked Sunday video, we're going to be talking about the Spend the Night bag. Now, I've already done a video like this, and I will link it somewhere here so you can see it. And if I remember, I'll put it in the description bar as well. And that one was for the ladies. Now, for the fellers, this is probably not something that most guys do, but I feel like most guys, or all guys, I feel like all guys, if you're out there having intercourse, you should carry this around with you. Okay, so what I would recommend is that it's a pouch. YCC has one. Let me show you a pouch like this typically. So what I got this for him, I think from Walmart or Marshalls or one of those stores, and that was like over 10 years ago. Still in great shape. It's just so that he could keep his clippers and his clipper oil and a little brush and stuff like that. And that's what that is. It comes with a little handle. It zips at the top. You can't see it because now it's out of frame, but it zips at the top. You can just carry it around like this, throw it in your car, whatever. All right, cool. So a bag no bigger than this is what I'd recommend, unless you want to carry like a backpack or something. What I think you should pack in your Spend the Night bag. Number one, obviously, condoms, because safe sex. Okay. Next thing that I would suggest packing, some water-based lubricant. This one is very much iffy, but you know, just in case the person you're with wants to try something extra, and the water-based lubricants won't break down the condoms as well, that's always good to have. Just a little tiny one, like a 2 ounce, because I don't think you're gonna use it all the time, but then just in case, you'll be like, oh babes, here, look, good, right? So that's condoms and lubricant. Next thing I'd recommend, wipes. They do have dude wipes, I think they're called. Dude, D-U-D-E. I think that's for your butt. But I would recommend carrying some wipes, whether baby wipes or the same dude wipes or flushable wipes, whatever, just in case you're there either at her house or his house and you can't take a shower, don't want to take a shower because you're rushing out. Let's say you're having car sex. You need to clean up. You need to have some type of wipes to wipe yourself off. All right, guys? All right. Next thing I would recommend packing are some pads and tampons. Now, again, this one is kind of a stretch, but I would recommend it because sometimes with the girls, even with the period trackers and the checking the moon and all of that stuff, sometimes with sex, with penetration, it will cause the period to come down, right? And just in case she's not expecting it to come and it does come, you be like, oh babes, don't worry about it. Here, boom, go handle yourself in the bathroom. Simple. Very simple. Spend the night. We said spend the night, right? Not hook up. This one more like a hookup bag. All right. Let's say you're spending the night. Let's say you do decide to shower at her house or his house. Pack extra underwear and pack a clean shirt. All right. Whatever pants or shorts or jeans or whatever it is that you're wearing, I'm pretty sure you can wear the next day and go home. All right. Because we don't want you to be doing the not so walk of shame, because like I've said before, whatever you guys did, once it was consensual and you're happy, there's nothing to be shameful of. All right, yeah, so we got condoms, we got lubes, we got pads and tampons, we have underwear and a shirt, we have, what did I just say? Wipes. You have your wipes. If you can find a little travel toothbrush, they have these travel kits, like really tiny. You could pack a body wash, you could pack lotion, you could pack a toothbrush, you could pack mouthwash. You're not gonna need shampoo if you're just spending one night. If anything, she has shampoo if you need it. But those things, the little travel size ones, keep that in there. Little travel size toothpaste, you know, keep that in there. Depending on where you are, who you're with, maybe you're at a hotel room for the night. Have those things handy so that when it's time to go, you're good to go. I think that's it, honestly. If you have a spend the night bag, as a guy. Comment down below what you carry in yours. If you don't have one and now you're considering one, you're welcome. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you want to add anything else to the guys spend the night bag, leave it in the comment section below and let's talk about it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.